Hello YouTubers, today we have 2009 Toyota Sienna minivan and we have an issue. The power door do not work. And today I will try to record on two cameras. Just got a new headset for the recording so you all can see how it works, how it's better, so that's why you might see my phone. Anyway, so the trick with the sliding door is you want to make sure that it is on, and after that try if it works or not. At this point I lost my mic, so I'm trying to open and close the door from the cab. So both buttons at the top, they don't do anything. We'll try in different position. This kill switch, it doesn't help. None of the doors work. Left, right, hatch, everything is completely dead at this point. I also tried replacing fuses. Nothing helped on that front too. Tried scanning, no issues, no codes. Interesting fact is that when you open it manually and then just put it in the right position, the electric motor will pull it in. So the power is coming to the door and the electric motor is working fine. So we will try by removing the door panel. It was taken to the dealership and they diagnosed it and said that the issue is door control module in the right door. So we'll remove two Phillips screws to get out the door handle bezel. Also the part for the new one, I'm not sure if it was replaced, but it was around $850. So we got the used part on eBay for just under $100. So we remove the bezel, we will disconnect the plug, just push and pull. So for the used part, you need to make sure that the part number is exactly the same, because there are very similar two modules for left and right door. In our case, we need the right door. So before we start disconnecting any electrical wires, we'll go ahead and remove the negative terminal on the battery. That's 10 mil wrench. So we'll just get that loose and put it aside, since every time we touch electronics you want to make sure that there is no live power in it. So next we will remove one more Phillips screw just at the bottom of the door, right bottom corner. You will need a little tiny screwdriver. The impact or power drill will not fit, so little handheld screwdriver will do the trick. It is in a plastic piece, like a plastic grommet, so it's easy to get it out. And that would be the last bolt that holds that door panel attached. So we'll get that one removed, so just pay attention not to lose it. And now we can just pry that door panel out. Normally it's not too difficult. One thing, when you do work with plastic, make sure that it's warm, so keep it in a warm garage. If it's cold outside and it's frozen, you might break those clips. So you remove the bottom piece and then you just push it up, because it is attached on the frame of the door at the top. So pull the bottom side out and then pry it up. So this is the module. To get the module out, there are two screws with two metal brackets, one on the left, one on the right. So we will get those screws removed first, and then we'll disconnect the wires. It will be much easier than trying to pull wires right away. So just drop the screw, So dropped it again, and the other one on the right hand side, again just regular Phillips screwdriver will do the trick. So you pull that off. To get those brackets out, you'll need to use a little screwdriver to push them out. They will not come out without the screwdriver.
Apologies, I just realized that I didn't take my mic with me. So some of the video clips might be missing audio. So to get those brackets off, you just need a teeny screwdriver. I'll just go behind and keep your fingers away, because that will come off eventually, and then the screwdriver will go in full speed. So now when those are removed, we can unclip those wires. So you just push it down and pull it out. So this is the module. The part number is 89222-08013. All right, so this is the module that we got. Same part number. I think the last two digits will differ on both sides. So we will go ahead and plug them in. I'm not sure if we will need any sort of programming after this. Hopefully not. So attach one bracket. Attach the second bracket. Just like that. We will get those screws back in. Get it started by hand. We go to the other one. Right. This is the old module. We'll put it aside for now. So now we will get our panel back on. So we're going to go from the top. Make sure the top is seated. No, the other one is not. Okay, so there is a little trick. If you look up, you'll want to make sure that you push this panel under that plastic piece over there. So that will allow it to go down nicely. So now we just flip it all the way in. We'll grab our bezel. And there's that little wire. So that will go in. Just push this in. Before we put the screws back in, we will test it. We'll connect the battery first. Alright, so put the negative terminal back on. Make it tight. Alright, Right, so let's give it a try. So look at that. This side works. Now we will try this side. This side doesn't work. This time we will try from the cab. So left door open and left door closed. Check the master switch. So now try right door. Right door does not work. Alright, so I'm using my Hotel Maxicom and I did a few tests. So we have rear left and rear right door. So with the rear right door, I had a few options to go through. Basically, if I go to active tests, I was able to check release actuator, power sliding door buzzer, clutch, and motor, and they all worked. So I was able to run them on and off. And that did something. I don't know exactly what, but now our doors work as expected, fully. Same on this side. We can actually test with the button. So you see it works. Cool. And try same thing, try the button. You can see the doors open and closes. So seems like the issue is fixed by replacing that door control module. I'm not exactly sure what it took to make the right door work. Either that just needed some time to initialize with the main ECU, or I had actually to run those tests on my Hotel Maxicom, but it's working. So that was an easy fix. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.